sign, and I've got a 4th gen Firebird. This is a 2001 convertible with a 3.8 Series 2. Zoom in on this. I'm getting code P0401 and P0452. So I have a suspicion that it's the evap valve that's over here. I'm going to go to the junkyard and get one because I don't mind buying parts and just having them. I'm also going to check all the hoses and vacuum line. Well, the first car I found is a Camaro, which will work. What I need is this little piece that covers this, and it looks like I was able to find it on the ground, which is super cool. Kind of hard to find here. I know this is such a dumb piece, but mine doesn't have it on there, and without it, water's going to get in it. The other thing I need is rearview mirrors, and I need to get some, oh man, they took them. So we're looking for some sun visors. That's what we're going to try to find, but it's pretty sad to see. These cars are my favorite kind of cars, Camaros and Firebirds, and they're just absolutely tore up and destroyed. Well, I did find this Firebird. It is also missing most of the things I need. These are removed. Of course, there's no top. It's been cut in half. But I did find this little piece I need to put over the spare tire in the back. Mine is either missing, broken, or I just can't find it back there, but no harm in not having another one. Sadly, it looks like the rear end's here, but there is a steering wheel. Now, I need an entire steering wheel because mine is destroyed. This one is not clean at all, but it is in better shape than mine. I really don't like the shape and condition of this one, and I can't tell if the horn pieces are out. I want to say these are the contactors for the horn, but man, I'm sort of debating whether I want this because I can use the parts off of mine onto this. I know it's dirty. I can probably clean that up. I don't know if that piece is broken or not, but this is what I'm looking for. This is one piece here. So, score for that. I'll set it aside. Actually, I did want to show you something. Sometimes at junkyards and pick and pulls, you gotta look. And what I found down here is actually the steering wheel piece that goes in the center of this. So, this may be salvageable after all. I believe this is the airbag unit. But I'm gonna take that piece here now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get a working horn piece out of it, but I think I'm gonna take this with me. See if I can get it going here, because the parts that don't work are in here, I believe. Well, I really like these rims and tires, and they do not have the piece I need. This one's got a 3.8. The tensioner is on there, which I kind of think I may need. Looks like they painted this one silver. It's still got that piece that I had just replaced on mine, but overall, I need a mirror for mine. The inside, it's pretty shot on this one. But that's okay. Search continues. We'll come back to this one if we can't find what we're looking for. This one looks pretty picked clean too. The motor's gone. And that part I need is definitely gone as well. This has got to be an older one. They just threw that through the window. Really sad. Convertible. Oh, I definitely need some parts for the convertible. Let's see. Does it have the convertible cover? Oh, yes. I want to come back and get this. I really need this. Although this one looks terrible compared to mine. This is such a tough find, man. Oh, and it has a roll cage. Wow. This one's definitely picked, but really good. Taillights, some racing stripes. Yeah, this one's pretty well gone. Looks like he probably got sideswiped or... I really need these as well. This is what I'm missing, and these are gone. So convertibles are very, very hard to find, at least for me where I'm at. Not super hard to find the car parts, but what if I can take some 30 amp fuses too. This has a 3.8. Pull the computer out. Tensioner here, it's pretty rusty. That may be an option as well. I was able to find an EGR valve off of this Camaro. So mine is reading wrong, giving a code. I may just be able to take mine apart and clean it, but I figured since I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and grab an EGR valve anyway. So we'll add that to the list. And we're gonna continue to look for Firebirds. Of course, the one white one they have has no doors, so it's gonna have no mirrors. That's excellent. Well, this again, the ever failing part, it's even loose in here. Oh man, well, I was hoping I could find some. Let's see if it's got any rearview mirrors. T-tops are gone. I mean, this one's been here for a while, so it's gonna have everything missing out of it. Oh, there's a fuse box. Let's go check it out. Let's see the fuse box piece that I need. Tail lights are gone. That's always the first thing to go on these. This here. So let's see, dash is broken. Lights are needed here. Yeah, pretty disappointing. I thought for sure. Is this it? Oh, that's it as well. Let's see if this one's cleaner than the one we got here. And one is for the lower. Is the difference here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them both. That way I just have them. These can't be more than a few dollars, so it won't hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these. These are one things I set out to get. So good here. Put them right here so I know where they are now. And let's continue looking for some of the other Firebirds. I'm definitely not going to be able to find a rearview mirror like I was intending, because this is the only white one that they've at least told me that they have, and this one has no doors, so no go on that. I'm going to have to clean it anyway. So, all right, I got Phillips here. Let's go over here. Get this bad boy off. All right, I had to put the camera down for that, but I was able to get both of these sun visors. We're gonna go ahead and add those here and take it up to the front, see if they're seeing anything on the way back. I did look at this green one next to me that I sort of caught. It's pretty well clean as well. Mirrors are gone. It's got the rearview mirrors in there, but yeah, nothing. Search continues. Oh wait, what's that one? There's a red one over there. Let's go check it out. Back glass is completely gone. Does it have the doors? Man, it really seems like the mirrors are some of the first things that go as well. Let me set this down here. Okay. This one, I can probably tell you what year it is just by looking at the tail light. This is going to be a base model between a 93 and a 98. Yeah, I can tell by the lettering here. This is the older style. So what's the inside look like? Oh, I think this is the piece we're looking for. This is one, except it's the driver's side. I need the passenger side one. I think this may be down here. Let me see. Check. Man, that's too bad. I really need this piece that goes around the door right here. Does it have sun visors? No sun visors. Well, man, I really have to open the door, and I probably have to turn the camera. Next time I come back, I'll put a head unit on. That way I don't have to turn the camera off while I'm doing the finds here. You gotta be very careful too anytime you're pulling stuff off, because this will just fall on you and fucking kill you. Let's see what we got under the hood here. 3.8, that's perfect. It's relatively easy to find parts for the car I want at junkyards, and because of the amount of cars, not as tough to find things like gaskets, O-rings. I had to special order all that stuff. It's really hard to find anything new. Dorman really sells a lot of the replacements. Looks like this one has a unit 2 where it's been changed out. Let's see. And another thing is, a lot of times, I've this twice now, I've sort of found what I was looking for on the ground. People just throw stuff on the ground, so I need this. This is what I could use as a replacement for my convertible top to push that button. Now the plastic's busted off on mine, and it looks like it's broke on this too. But I'm gonna take this with me and see if it's something we can put to use. The interior's been picked clean out of the other one, so. All right. This is a 1996. So yeah, I figured 93 to 98 body style. Okay. Oh, so there's some vents, but they're broke out. Nothing I can use here. Let's see if there's anything here. This is center console. Also looking for a center console lid. Not usable there. Let's see, anything down here? Nope. Up, back cup holders. There's the vents on the front. Let's go on the hood, actually. I always thought those were really cool looking, because the valve goes under the hood. These are the spark plug. I think, let's see here. Covers. Oh, this one on the dash is a cup holder. Cup holder piece. It is faded to all hell, but not bad actually. This is a pretty good piece to have. I have one and it's not broken, so I don't really need it. But boy, sure I do like having extra parts. This goes to the center console. This is what I'm looking for. So I'm definitely looking for center console pieces. So nothing here that we need. Let's check under the glass. Okay, so Again, I can't remember which ones I've seen already because it's some sort of loss. I just found this gold one. The front end looks real sketchy, so I'm gonna be careful here. The motor's gone. There's some suspension on the Camaro here that is awesome. Really like that white one. Oh, look how clean it is in the back. Very clean. This is a 2001, same year as mine. Doors are gone. Okay, this says all the things. Switches, factory radio that we don't need. Unfortunately, the center console is not in here. Foot panel, kick panel. It's just like a stable. Oh, it's part of the tranny. Nice. Okay. Man, this is super clean. They took the carpets. This has a trap door like all the other ones I see. That was never a thing when I had my car before. That's got to be... Oh, wow. There's a green one right here. Holy cow, I'm doing circles around it. Completely. Didn't even notice. I feel like this is one I've seen already. Okay. Definitely had some seat covers. That's in the back here. Blind stuff. Let's see. Speaker. It's ripped behind the glove box. This one's got a cup pull out too. This one's really nice. Actually, yeah, this is really clean. Like that. It's too bad that this is broke. That would have been a good win. Let's see. I guess I'm kind of wasting my time looking for door pieces on the Camaros because they're definitely not going to be the same. This is a... Can't even tell. This is a... Yeah, I can't even read it. So, interior's gone. Components are gone. Let's see. Gas tank's out. Let's see. Shifter. So it's got a little bit different cigarette lighter. Nothing here. Let's look in the back. And again, be careful. Yeah, this is that same piece. This one's actually a lot cleaner. It's just, man, I ought to just take it. I don't know. There's no way I'm gonna fab it. I need it to look clean, so I'm not gonna even waste my time with that. Back seat's really clean. The seats are in here. That's interesting. Like, this is the first time I've seen the seats. Now, I like the Firebird seats better than the Camaro seats because the top hits high, but these are extremely comfortable, and these ones feel very clean, very new. Interesting. All right, let's see what's on the front. What is it? Yeah, that's the alarm module, I think. Okay. I just cut the hole. Jeez. Piece here. Headlights. Just completely. So, oh, this is the older. This is the 93 to 97 body style. 3.4, not the 3.8. Fun motors, not quite as much power, but still fun cars. So this one's got to be, 94, 95, 96 in there somewhere. Okay, nothing on this one. Okay. Sort of kind of, yeah, a lot of the same stuff I'm looking for is gone. This part I need right here is broke off. Nope, nothing on the T-tops. Let's check the motor area first. All 3/8. That one's got the older elbows. This is definitely a later 4th gen based on the headlights in front. This is that piece I've been looking for. I feel like I've got enough of that. 2 of those, I believe. I'll just cut everything EGR. This one's got a pretty clean. I'm debating on coming back and getting the intake to that. Oh man, see, this is just people being assholes, fucking around. Alright, anything on the ground? Cover for the... Oh, it's a speaker. I thought that was for the fuse box there. Odometer's pretty good. So these are pretty sought after, at least here where I live. People like to swap those, and defog people usually see those taken pretty quick. There's a filter. Nothing else. Let's see. Could possibly have the door handles for the passenger. We do, except it's different. Shoot. This is definitely different than mine. Man, I was really hoping. Steering wheel's gone. Back seat. See if there's any parts. So this one has a dash, but the Camaro dashes are different than the Firebirds. One has the 3 circles on it. So. Alright. 3.8, MOF sensor is out. This one has sort of that modified elbow as well. It's interesting how they did it on some and not on others. I have to do some reading and understand how they chose, if it's a year. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's going to be anything I can use on this one. Let's see on the other side if it's got the visors. And nope. Well, that's going to be it for today. I really can't even hold anymore. I should have came out here with a shopping cart or something. I didn't expect to find as many parts as I did, but what was strange is I feel like I found the parts that I wasn't expecting as much, and I didn't find the ones that I was. Now, I'm still looking for some on the way out, but I feel like I've hit them all. This is a great location here in San Antonio. Lots of vehicles. I mean, they've got every Nissan, Volkswagen, and the weird part is, it's gotta be a nightmare here, but they've got some cars that don't quite go in that section in some of the other ones, so there are some you can find. Like here's a Datsun 340, 370, or not 370, I'm sorry, the 240s, the old ones. Anyway, great cars. It's been fun. It's over 100 and I'm dying, so I'm gonna go up to the front and pay for these and take them home, put them on. Well, I got this piece. I'm gonna need to clean it up, but I'm hoping that it'll fit. This piece I have right here is broken, the clip up top, and it's a little bit different color, so I'm wondering if it's not factory. This one's kind of cool though. It actually has a Pontiac symbol. It looks terrible and I'm gonna have to clean it up a lot, but I think that will work for that. I also got the fuse pieces that I need. This is, I've just had sort of a paper towel here, which is not a good fix, but temporary. Now I can put this here, make sure it's the right one. Goes here. Let's see, this is the ignition one, so this is a duplicate of that, which I don't need, but I got it anyway. This is the one that I do need. This is all the correct fuse points. I'm gonna clean it off. It's got some paint on it, but the most important thing is that it fits. So no more having ghetto paper towels and sort of half things there. I'm looking much better, coming along. I did get a replacement EGR valve, so I can put that here. I'm going to take it off. It looks like that gasket needs to be replaced or something. I'm going to clean it all up, but it's coming along.